In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to create rules in Asana. If you've ever felt like you're repeating the same administrative clicks over and over, rules can take that busy work off your plate. And with Asana's AI Studio, you can generate those rules from a simple description, so you spend less time building workflows and more time moving work forward. First, open Asana and head to your home view so you're starting from a familiar place. From the left-hand sidebar, click My Tasks. This gives you a clean view of your personal work, and it's also a great place to set up simple automations. You can follow the same approach inside a specific project as well, but we'll stay in My Tasks here to keep things straightforward. Look to the top right and open the Customize panel. This is where Asana groups powerful controls like fields, forms, and the feature we're using today. In the Customize panel, select Rules. You'll see any existing automations and a set of options to create new ones. Click Add to start building a new rule. Now choose Create with AI Studio. This opens Asana's AI-assisted builder, which can suggest an automation based on natural language. You'll notice two paths here. If you prefer to describe a rule from scratch, navigate to the Create view. This is designed for plain language prompts, so you don't need to know every trigger or action ahead of time. Click Create to begin, and then type your prompt. Be specific and use the terms you already see in your workspace, like sections, due dates, assignees, priorities, or custom field names. For example, you might write, when a task is marked complete, move it to the Done section. Or, when a task is assigned to me, set the due date to 3 days from now. Clear, direct phrasing helps the AI pick the right trigger and action the first time. As the AI generates your rule, it will map your description to a trigger and one or more actions you can review. If the proposal isn't quite right, refine your prompt by clarifying the condition, the timing, or the field names you want to use. Short, single-purpose rules are usually easier to manage and troubleshoot later. That's all there is to it. You navigated to My Tasks, opened Customize, went into Rules, clicked Add, selected Create with AI Studio, used the Create view when you wanted to describe a brand new automation, and typed a clear prompt to generate your rule. With this workflow, you can quickly turn routine decisions into consistent, hands-off automation and keep your work moving with less effort.